girlfriend is. When we saw her, she was on her knee. I cannot get tired of money, but this money, it will turn people right and they greedy. I know he's sick of my money, cause every time he calls, he wish that he calls her inside of my left right pocket. Watch this, these niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. These niggas broke boys, watch this, watch this. I can make the whole crowd watch me, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop, watch this. I can make it bitch one stop.
So yun, kasama ko si Francis niyan. Dala namin yung mugs na Trisbook na NK. Punta kami ng bayan para magpakabit. Ayan. Dala-dala namin ngayon. Ayan, dito kami sa TAC. Motorcycle parts. So yun yung sniper ka yung motor ng tropa. Sinamahan tayo. Yung Aerox ni John Mark Carpio. Din yan. John Mark, shoutout sa'yo sa pagsama. Ayan, dito na tayo kay Miloki Garage. Sila yung gagawa ng or magkakabit ng mga gamit natin. Ayan. Silip muna. Tapos, ayan, kinakabit na yung mugs. Tsaka tires. Ayan, nakabit na yung tires. Tsaka yung swing arm nut. Halos lahat nakabit na. Swing arm. Disc. Yun. Ayan yung disc natin. Frando. 260mm. Tapos yung bracket, alloy bracket natin. Kakabit na rin. Ayan o. Ayun. Stock parts natin yan. And nakinakabit na namin yung ehe. Ayan, nakabit na. So, yung makalat pa. Yung harap na yung susunod. Yun, nakabit na rin. Up next is yung brake system natin. Yun. Adeline 4-pot, which is proper for Malaysian concept. Yun. Yun yung box niya. Second hand ko lang nabili to. Shoutout kay paring Joseph. Sana all. Ayun, gold. 4-pot Adeline. Napakaganda. Tas isang GR5 banjo bolt. Check natin. Ayun, ayaw may tanggal. Ayun. Yun na nga. Solid. Ang ganda. Promise, ang ganda sa personal. Ayan, 4-pot. Yun, may QR code. QR code tayo yan. Tapos yun, naka-engrave yung Adeline na brand. So yun lang. So na papakabit tayo ng 4-pot caliper. Papakabit na natin yan dyan lang sa Mangaldan. Kay Papa Dimple. Shout out sa'yo. Ayan. Lagay natin dyan. Kaso di sila kasya. Masyadong malaki. So, ayun. Lagay na lang muna yung isa. On the way na ako nyan. Oh, tambay muna dito saglit sa daan. Isang pitik. Ayun, kasama na yung quick release. Binigay na rin ni paring Joseph yun. Thank you sa'yo. Ayun, on the way na ako ng Mangaldan yan. Ayun, yun. Kay Papa Lexus din, thank you. Pa-shoutout sa'yo. Ayun, mini-mekos na ni Papa Lexus. At ni Papa Dimple. Papagawa tayo ng bracket kasi galing siya ng Genio. Nasa left side siya, lilipat sa right side. Ayun lang. Gagawa ng bracket. Solid ng bracket niyan, promise. Galing gumawa ni Dimple. Papa Dimple. So, wait for the result. Ayun. Ayun, pati yung quick release. Mga GR5 na rin. Tanggal. So, yun. Ayun na, nakabit na. Nalagay na yung bracket. Tapos nalagay na rin yung brake master tsaka clutch lever. Bago yan, isa munang kapirasong montage.
Those were the times we had, sharing the joy that we thought would last. It brings us love and affection. Everything was just like a dream. Was it the simple things that made me so crazy about you? Was it your charm or your passion? It's not to believe I love you and I need you, so I sing the things get me nuts to help me to remember. Baby, please.
Next naman natin dyan is yung titanium elbow. Papakabit natin yung titanium elbow. Doon pa rin kay Papa Dimple. Ayan o, titanium elbow. Kakabit na natin yan. Wala tayong pambili ng open pipe eh. So yun. Ayan o. Tinatanggal ni Papa Dimple yung elbow. Stock elbow. Grinder na. Yun. Abang tanggal na yung fairings. Ayan na, minimegus na ni Papa Dimple yan. Ayun. Galing-galing. After nyo, nakabit na yung titanium elbow. Ayun na. Nakabit na siya. So, good for daily siya. Hindi siya nagkumukupas. So, yun na nga yung last natin na build. Wala nang bago na sumunod. Ibali yun na lang. Kasi, medyo may pagbibisihan tayo doon. So, simple lang naman yung build na yun, yung sniper natin. So, meron kasi tayong i-build ulit na basta i-build natin ulit na isang motor ulit na hindi ako makatulog talaga. Yung wave natin, yung wave bubuhayin natin yun ulit. So, ipon muna, medyo naubos yung pera. Hindi ko alam kung makukuha ko yung wave ay yun yung i-build natin for Vans concept lang. Pero all stock. So ito, kapirasong montage ulit para kay Sky, si Sniper.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get a no call to quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. You better move, you might get knocked out, knocked out. My heart on my sleeve, stress, shield my greed. That's how I get it. Success ain't no given. Some days I don't eat, I don't sleep. When I'm focused, I'm dangerous. They don't wonder when I'm anxious. Ain't no limit till I tank. I'm running on fumes. The opposition don't amaze. The roads racing through the pavement. Get your hands out of my bag. I know that's because I've been in it. I don't need to brag. I guess that's what happens when you taking care of your business. But some family, you do the math.